Why cannot I repost on TikTok? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Reposting is a feature by TikTok that allows you to share a TikTok video to your profile so your followers and friends can see it. Normally, you can repost by tapping on the share icon and then tapping on the repost button. This way, it will appear on your profile and you can repost or unrepost it at any time. However, if you cannot do it, the possible issues could be creators restriction, which means if the creator has disabled the reposting for the videos, you won't see the repost button. You can confirm it by checking other videos to see if the option is available. Sometimes it could be app issues. For this, you can go to settings and privacy and scroll down to free up space button. Then you have to clear the cache. Now that this is done, you can head over to Play Store or App Store to update the app. Once you have updated, relaunch the application. And once you do so, the repost option should appear if it is not restricted by the creator. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.